To find the area of this right-angled isosceles triangle, the first thing I'm going to do is to identify this unknown side by labeling it P. So I'll call here P centimeter, and because these two lengths are equal, I'll call this P centimeter. Okay, so now I'm going to find the value of P by applying the Pythagoras theorem, which says the square of these two sides equals the square of the hypotenuse. So I have P square plus P square equals 4 square, right? So P square plus P square would give me 2P square equals 4 square equals 16. The next thing I'm going to do now is to divide both sides by 2. So if I do that, these two will cancel out. I have P square equals 2 will go into 16, 8. So to find the value of P, we'll find the square root of both sides. So if I square P square, I'll square 8. Square root of 8. This square will cancel out this square root. So P equals to the root 8. Okay, so now these two lengths now equals root 8 cm, and this length 2 equals root 8 cm. Now it's very easy for us to find the area of this right triangle. So now that we have all sides, the formula I'm going to use to find the area is that which says the area of a triangle is half its base times height. Okay, so the base of this triangle is root 8, and the height here, which is perpendicular to the base, is root 8 centimeter. If you have followed me up to this point in this video, that shows you're enjoying the lesson, and I sincerely appreciate you for that. But if you are yet to subscribe, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Put on your post notification so that when next I post any video, you will be the first to see it. Thank you. Okay, so substituting in our values, we have our area equals the base is root 8 and the height is root 8 all over 2. Okay, so the area equals root 8 times root 8 equals 8 divided by 2. So we have 8 divided by 2 as 4 centimeters square, and this gives us the area of this figure. This second example here wants us to find the perimeter of this equilateral triangle. Okay, for us to find the perimeter of this triangle, we need to know the variable y and the variable x. Okay, and to do that, because all the three sides are equal, I'm going to equate one of the sides to the other. So I will equate y plus 3 to 2y minus x. Let's group like terms. We have 3 plus x equals 2y minus y. So 3 plus x equals y. Now that we have the value for y, let's substitute it in this expression with y. Okay, now we have value for y. If we decide to substitute in 3 plus x for y and this length, so we have y plus 3 equals, let's equate it to this length here, 4x plus 3, right? So y is now 3 plus x, so we have 3 plus x plus 3 equals 4x plus 3. Okay, so this gives us 6 plus x equals 4x plus 3. If we group the like terms, we have 6 minus 3 equals 4x minus x. This then gives us 3 equals 3x. We divide both sides of the equation by 3. We have x equals 1. Okay, now we know the value of x. We can now substitute 1 for x in each of these given sides. So if x equals 1 and y equals 3 plus x, that means y equals 3 plus 1, and that gives 4. Now we know the two variables. We can just plug them in, and finding the perimeter is very, very is. So this length that is originally y plus 3 now becomes 4 plus 3, and this gives 7 centimeter. Over here, we substitute 4 for y. We have 2 times 4, which is 8. 8 minus 1, this gives us 7 centimeter. And here we have 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 will give us 7. You can now see that all three sides are equal, and the perimeter of this triangle is simply to sum up all three sides. So the perimeter equals 7 plus 7 plus 7, all in centimeter, and this gives us 21 centimeter as the answer. I hope you found this very easy to understand. If you did, please do not forget to leave me a comment. Like this video, share, and follow for more.